Hey guys, Michael Forst here at Forst 8 Trucks. What you can see right here, got a nice new bumper for old Hunter Proof. It's called the Buzzard. It's a 20-inch and got basically a double 45 bend on the end. This is going to come up really close to the tire and close that gap up between where the front of a straight bumper would be and your tire without being huge and boxy on the end. This is, like I said, is all stainless steel, and it mounts to a one-piece plate that bolts onto the front of the frame, and this bumper will sit over that and then mount on top and bottom with bolts. So without further ado, let's get this thing put on here. So there it is on there, and you see it closes this gap up. My favorite part of this is look at this radius cut of the fender, runs right into that bumper like it was all cut as one piece. Part of it chrome, part of it painted. Really sharp, makes a huge bumper. I like that it does not have the big long flat side on here. That's a lot more streamlined and trimmed, but still being big and chrome. We got that bumper, it's not on the ground, but it's riding like it ought to without being an overly large bumper. You know, between bringing that front end down and a 20-inch bumper. Looks really good.